So for our next question here, um, how do you see your business 5 to 10 years from now?
5 to 10 years, yun, siyempre gusto namin magkaroon ng madaming pang branches. At yung branches kasi na yun, hindi masasabi na chapters, yung coffee chapters kung walang libro. And nakikita namin yung coffee chapters is spreading more learnings because of books, spreading more wisdom and knowledge with the help of books. Yun, 5 to 10 years, gusto namin makita yung coffee chapters na makagawa din ng community. Hindi lang sa pagtimpla ng
Mm,
masarap na kape, pero community of readers.
correct.
Yun.
And sana mas marami pa kaming maabot na customers
Mm.
in the next 5 to 10 years by branching out in several strategic locations na hopefully we get to have branches in Cebu, Davao, in other parts of Luzon na kung saan um, gusto nating spread yung mission ng brand, which is to spread literacy and reading sa mga kabataan na if you love coffee, merong lugar para dyan. But if you love coffee and then meron ka pang on the side na books, so pwede siyang magkaroon ng interest sa pagbabasa ulit. So hopefully mailapit namin yung coffee chapter sa mas marami pang Pilipino at customers sa buong bansa in the next 5 to 10 years.
Mm.